Okay, question 20. Search in unknown size sorted array. Given an integer dictionary A of unknown size, where the numbers in the dictionary are sorted in ascending order. Determine if a given target integer t is in the dictionary. Return the index of t in A. Return -1 if t is not in A. So the function search, there are two input data. The first one is dictionary, the second one is an integer for the target, and the return type is an integer. That indicates the index of the target integer in the dictionary. And the assumption here is that the input dictionary is sorted in ascending order. And possible corner case is when the dictionary is null, then we return -1. And the solution here involves two big steps. The first one is to find a boundary, left pointers and right pointers, and these pointers define the search range. And the second, with these two pointers, we can do the binary search. Okay, now looking into the code, the first part is sanity check. First, we check if the dictionary is null or not. If yes, then we return -1. Next is to set up the boundary. In the beginning, we assume left is 0 and right is 1. And then we use a while loop with two conditions to modify the left and right pointers. And the two conditions are to check whether the element on the right is null or not, and the second is to check whether the target is greater than the elements on the right index. We only increase the right index if both of the conditions are met. And when both conditions are met, we set left equal to right, and then we increase the right index by double. And then with the left and right pointers, we can do the binary search. So we start the while loop, and the condition of the while loop is left less or equal to right. And in the loop, we find the mean index, and then we use if statement to check whether the element on the mean index is null or not. And also we check if the target is less than the elements on the mean index. If any of these two happens, we move the right pointer to mean -1 because the target cannot be in the right side of the mean. And another condition is to check whether mean element is less than the target. If yes, then we know the target is in the right side of the dictionary. We move the left pointer to mean +1. And another case is when the mean elements equal to the target, then we just return the mean. And at the end, if we cannot find the target integer, then we return -1. So in this function, the time complexity is log n. Basically, we take log n time to find a boundary, and then we take another log n time to find a target integer. So it's 2 log n, at the end is log n, and space complexity is O1 because in each while loop we don't have a new variable or new objects. So overall, O1.